Downloading your account data from eBay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your information. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your eBay account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, hover over your username in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Access the Privacy section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Click on it to find options related to your personal data and privacy preferences. Step 4. Request your data. Within the Privacy section, locate the option for Download your data or Request account data. Click on this option to initiate the process of downloading your account information. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your request. You may need to verify your identity through a security check. Once completed, eBay will prepare your data and notify you when it is ready for download. After completing these steps, you will have successfully requested your account data from eBay. Keep an eye on your email for further instructions on how to download the file when it becomes available.